Yoga for the digital age. During the last 2 decades, the world has seen many drastic changes in different fields, especially in the field of IT and software. Presently, we have reached the digital age because of many developments in digital technology. Society has entered into the digital age as now everything is done either through computers or through mobile phones. Before we go ahead, let me inform you about the useful courses on yoga offered by KapilGuru.com. Leela Karanam is a 4 years experienced trainer who offers a course on yoga on weekdays and weekends, and the duration of the course is 40 days. There is a course by Satya, who is 13 years experienced trainer who is conducting classes on weekdays. Bhargava Sharma is a trainer who is having 15 years of experience. The duration of the course is 10 days. Another course is organized by V. Bharati, who is having 10 years of experience conducting the classes on weekdays for 10 days. Interested may log in to KapilGuru.com. The invention of Android phones has taken society into a state where people can do anything sitting at home at their fingertips. Right from filling a form for any exam to bank transactions, everything has gone digital. Now, even if you want to buy a small thing, you don't need to take out your wallet to pay for it. You may use your mobile phone to pay for it within no time. Life has become so easy for people because of these inventions. That made people extremely busy all the time. Lack of time to go for physical activities or other sources of entertainment for their relaxation. People got many negative sides to the present age as the people have developed various problems related to their health. Some of them are increased sedentary time, poor posture and alignment, decreased physically proximate time with people, information overload, stress, anxiety, etc. In these circumstances, people need to have some activities which give them a way to get rid of these problems. Yoga plays an important role to help people overcome these problems. Yoga has many benefits for all age groups people. Moreover, it can be practiced anywhere, spending less amount of time. Yoga improves strength, balance, and flexibility among people. It helps with back pain relief and also can ease arthritis symptoms. Very importantly, it benefits heart health. It also relaxes you to get a good sleep. Yoga can give you more energy and create a brighter mood. It helps you manage stress and helps you to promote better self-care. Kapil Towers, ISB Road, Financial District, Nanakremita, Telangana, India.